This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Hyundai Genesis key fob battery. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do at home. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these tools ready will make the replacement quick and hassle-free. Let's get started by preparing your key fob for opening. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob casing should separate. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press them together until you hear a secure click, indicating they are properly sealed. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking your vehicle, to ensure the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.